What's the meaning of celeriac? Celeriac. Celeriac.
Celeriac. Celeriac. Celeriac is a root vegetable that is also known as celery root. It is a type of celery that is cultivated for its edible bulbous root. The root is about the size of a potato and has a rough, knobby exterior with a creamy white interior. Celeriac has a mild, celery-like flavor with a nutty undertone, and can be eaten raw or cooked. It is often used as a flavoring in soups and stews, or grated and mixed with mayonnaise or yogurt to make a tasty salad dressing. Celeriac is also a good source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals.